This video describes how you can edit the floor plan. So it's highly likely that during the project life cycle that the architectural footprint is going to change, and you need to be able to get that into the MEP Works software to affect that change. It's quite a simple process. Here we are on the second floor. All you do is go into the Tools menu and then select Manage DXF. You then go to the appropriate floor, Edit, and then you select the floor plan of interest. And then in this case, we're picking the second floor revised. Open that up. Okay, that. Now we can see when we close this down that the footprint has changed. We can see we're getting several new spaces in here. What we would then do is take the Open Plan Office, right button click, delete the room. And then what we would do is either redefine the spaces or reintroduce the revised GBXML, which is subject to a separate video importing revised GBXML.